So I just came outside to get some fresh air. It's freezing, but I had my coffee, as you guys saw, and I just put a splash of oat milk in it. I'm out of coffee creamer, so every now and then, like, I'll do like just a splash of oat milk or almond milk, and it is just as good to me. I got these new mugs from Crate & Barrel for Christmas, and I've just been obsessed with them. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm eating in a day, and I love Sundays so much. It's my favorite day of the week, and I don't know, Sundays just make me very happy. So I'm gonna go finish my coffee, get ready for the day, head out. I think we're gonna go grab lunch somewhere, and I need to go to Whole Foods. Sundays are my grocery shopping days, so So I just made some breakfast. I made avocado toast on rosemary sourdough, and then I just cut up a couple of strawberries. I have some dates and cherries. So this is what we're having for breakfast today, and I'm so ready to eat this. So I'm just finishing up getting ready right now, but breakfast was so good. I always try to have like fruit in the morning. I love fruit so much, I can't seem to get enough of it. And avocado toast, you could just never go wrong with that. Sometimes I'll do like an acai bowl or smoothie, just depending on the day. But I'm about to head out right now, so I'm literally in sweatpants. So that's the mood for today. And then I always try to drink as much water as I possibly can throughout the day. So my second cup right now, and I usually try to do about 5 or 6 of them just by the end of the night. Guys, how great does this drink look? It looks so bomb. Say hi, Bo. Guys, so we're just now eating lunch, and we got some fries, and we ended up splitting a chicken sandwich just because we ate so much for breakfast, and I'm still kind of stuffed from it, but that is what we're eating. So we couldn't help ourselves but get dessert. So we got carrot cake, and what is this, a lavender honey scone?
Lavender honey scone?
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna devour it. Okay guys, so I just got done doing a little workout, and I wanted to show you guys my favorite protein shake that I've been making. I've been so obsessed with it. It tastes just like dessert to me, so I want to show you guys the recipe. So the first step, I always keep frozen banana on hand, so I just have that right here. So we're just gonna put 1 frozen banana, then I'm gonna do 1 date. I love dates so much, I have to eat one right now. They're so good. So I'm just gonna do some almond butter. I like to take a nice size spoon. I love almond butter so much, and I feel like it just really adds to this shake. So just taking a pretty big spoonful and putting that in here. And then my favorite protein powder right now, it is the Garden of Life plant-based protein. This is in vanilla. It is so good. It's organic, it's plant-based, it's vegan and gluten-free. There's 0 grams of sugars. It has probiotics in it. You can get this at like Whole Foods or Sprouts or Kroger. I just love the ingredients in it, and I love anything by Garden of Life. Their products are outstanding, so this one is my all-time favorite right now. I'm just gonna add 1 scoop of the protein powder. I'm almost out of spinach, but I love getting like some extra greens in this way, and you can't taste it in the smoothie if you don't like the taste of like spinach or anything. So I just do like a nice handful and put that in here. And then I always do like a dairy-free milk. Oat milk and almond milk are my favorite. You could do coconut milk, you could do regular milk, any type of like liquid that you prefer, but I have this one on hand and it is so good. It's from Oatly, and I swear Oatly has the best oat milk in the world. So I just put a little bit of this in. I don't put too much because I really like it to be thick. Lid on. And I have a Ninja blender and I love it so much. I think it blends fantastically. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this up. And I'm grabbing my reusable straw because I'm trying to save the turtles. And yeah. It is so good. I swear, amazing. So I'm back home now. We went to Whole Foods and got a ton of groceries for the week, but I'm just about to make dinner, but I'm torn between pasta and pizza, and I don't know which one I want to make. So I decided on pizza. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this before, but it's by the brand Bonza. I love their pasta, and this is just a pizza crust. I've had it before. It's from chickpeas, which is really cool, and it is vegan and gluten-free, and it's really good. So if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend this. It is the bomb. It's super healthy, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed with this. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna put on my pizza. I know Bo is gonna want classic pepperoni, but I think I want to do like chickpeas and spinach on top of mine. I know, kind of odd, but I saw this recipe on Pinterest and it looked so fire. So I think that's what I'm gonna put on mine. This is just what the pizzas look like. I'm gonna take it out of this, put some pizza sauce on it, and put a bunch of toppings, bake it. It's gonna be so good. So I just took the pizzas out the oven and they look so freaking good. I cannot wait to eat mine. I think mine looks the best, obviously. And then I'm just making us some salads to go with it. I just sliced up some cucumber to go on top, and then I have this dressing right here. It is from Tessame's. It is the Organic Green Goddess, and this one's gonna be dairy-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, and vegan, which I love, so I'm really excited to try this out. I love adding nutritional yeast on top of my salads. I just like the way it tastes, and it kind of gives it like a Parmesan-y kind of taste, and it's very healthy for you, so I love incorporating this whenever I can. Just about to go to bed, but one of my favorite things to do is make some tea and have just like a little bit of something sweet. So this one's just a nighttime tea. I love this one. It really helps me fall asleep. It has like lavender in it and it's super good. So yeah, I'm just making some tea real quick. And then one of my favorite things to add to my tea is honey, and this one's one of my favorites. You can get this at Whole Foods. So I'm just gonna put just a little spoon of it in here. Nothing too much, but I feel like just a little bit makes it taste so freaking good. So I'm just gonna let that melt. And then to go with the tea, I just have this little chocolate bar. This one is by HU, or Who, however you pronounce it. And this one's just the almond butter and puffed quinoa dark chocolate. This is my favorite chocolate brand ever. I could eat every piece of this in one sitting, honestly. But I'm just gonna have a couple little squares of this with my tea. I feel like this is the best way to end off the night. So I'm gonna have my tea and my chocolate and just watch some TV or a movie or something. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what I eat in a day, just to get kind of an idea of how my day looks. And I will catch you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. Alright, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.